Hey guys, it's Anna from the W Group. I wanted to come to you and talk about our 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,400 diamond in the rough that we found in the heart of Baton Rouge. So with the help of family and friends, we were able to do this ourselves so that we stayed on budget. When we moved in, every room in here was a different shade of yellow. So we decided to make it more modern and go ahead and paint the walls a darker color, since there is a lot of natural light in here and a lot of white built-ins. This color is peppercorn and it comes from Sherwin-Williams. We took these crates from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale in the springtime section. He bought the light fixtures from Amazon for $15. And this is the coolest part. Alexa, turn on the bar. So you essentially don't have to go in and touch every single light. It's just that simple. So this is an upcycled piece of furniture that was a dark wood that my husband sanded down. We chalk spray painted it. Got a cute little sign, again, Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby's really gonna be your best friend whenever you're trying to design on a budget, because if some things are on sale one week, like wall decor, stuff like that, the next week, table decor is gonna be 50% off. This table is a hand-built table from my father-in-law. It was a wedding present to me and my husband. And then we wanted to add more seating, so we went to the clearance part of home furniture and bought 2 chairs. I believe they were like $100, $150 a piece. This sectional was a U-shaped sectional in our old house so that it would fit perfect, and I mean, it is a perfect fit. We just took out the corner section. We were able to take the original can lights and change them out for recessed lighting. We got our recessed lighting from Walmart. It was $30 for a pack of 4. So the next part of our house that I really want to draw some attention to is this formal dining room. When we came in, there was a Williamsburg chandelier hanging. It was significantly smaller than this one, and it had these shades on top. With the shades, it made this area extremely dim. So to change that, we purchased this chandelier from Sunbelt Lighting off of Airline Highway. We purchased this dining room set from American Factory Direct Clearance Center in Mandeville, Louisiana. And so with this dining room set, these chairs do not match. We found the chairs again at the same store. We wanted to kind of blend fabrics so that it matched throughout the whole house. This table was painted at the factory, not white. It's more of like a green gray type color. They marked it down significantly, which also kind of makes it a custom table. So the next reason they marked it down was, I'll show you a little secret. There is a scratch in the top of the table from when they were transporting the table. So connected to our dining room is a small sitting area that we definitely put a lot of love into. So we got the rug from Walmart. The chairs were from Marketplace. They're Pure One chairs. The table came from Home Furniture, and again, Hobby Lobby lamp, 50% off. This light fixture just spoke to me. I have no idea why. Everybody told me to take it out. I think it's precious. Personally, I don't have time to water plants. We used a lot of faux plants, but we made sure that they looked real. He took wire and ran over the molding, and he painted it in some spots so that it would match, and just ran it straight down into this built-in. So the only thing we paid full price for was the couch set that we went to hundreds of different stores, sat on thousands of different couches to make sure that we got something that we wanted. This came from V. Watts Furniture in Livingston, and then everything else is Marketplace. This coffee table we bought with the chairs for, I believe it was like $25. This table is an antique table that came out of an abandoned house in Slaughter, Louisiana. So I understand that a fixer-upper can be scary, all realtors do, but we only spent about $15,000, which is now equity into this house, and it only took us about a month and a half. When we were looking, we were gonna spend $320,000 on a house that we couldn't even sign papers on for 6 to 12 months. So with the right realtor, the right resources, and the right mindset, you can make your diamond in the rough shine.